Okay, this is the project name, door opening via smartphone and Arduino, done by Mr. Hussain and Mr. Mohammed. So the functions, basically, we use a smartphone, and this is an automatic lock and controlled by Arduino kit. We use the Bluetooth to connect the door. So basically we have a card with a QR code. Yeah. So simply we have the smartphone fixed. We click on the QR code.
Please enter QR code.
We scan the QR code.
Welcome, Hussain.
And simply the door just open. Same as if we want to leave the room, we lock the door and
please enter QR code. Goodbye, Hussain.
and the door is simply locked. So this method uses smartphone, it's cheap, and you can, as we mentioned, we use the Arduino. The interface is also attached with the Bluetooth, connected with the smartphone. Thank you for watching.